my name is Toby. I'm a Sonoma County Master Gardener, and it is the middle to the end of August right now, and I'm getting ready for some fall planting. So what I'm going to plant today are some beets. I love golden beets. These beets take 50 to 55 days, which is not very long. I should be able to get them before Thanksgiving. I'm going to direct seed. Beets are best done direct seeded rather than transplant. Anything that is a root vegetable is better direct seeded. So the challenge always is finding a good spot in your garden to fit all this stuff in. So here I have some beans, and on this trellis, these beans are going to be here for a while because they're dry beans, and meaning that I will let them ripen on the vine and go all the way through until they're brown, which is great because it's going to offer this area inside here a nice cool spot, relatively cool, for my seeds to start. And I'm going to have you look right in here. I've got my irrigation already set up, and I did go ahead and pin it down. Notice that I do have straw around the outside edge, but I did pull all the straw off here. These beets I'm going to plant, let's see, on the back, I always read it. It says the seed depth is 1/2 inch. Let's see, it's 2 inches apart. So on my drippers here, my drippers are every 6 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through, I've added compost, I've watered this down real well, nice and slow. And so I'm going to go 1/2 inch down. So I find my first one, and I'm going to go on each dripper, I'm going to put a little hole. And then I can actually squeeze in more, so I'm going to put some right midway, which means that for a while I'm going to have to hand water these, and I'm okay with that. Beets are worth it. So on the other side, what I'll do is I'll do opposite of these, so that if my beets get nice and big, which I hope they will, then they won't crowd each other out. And then I'll drop my beets in. It's 1/2 inch. Some people like to go through and soak their seeds first. I don't. These seeds did not say to do that. So I'm following directions on the seed packet. I'll get those all started. These are brand new seeds. So I'm going to just put one in each hole. If you're sowing some older seeds, which I often do, then you're going to put more than one in each hole, just in case, and you can always thin them. Then what I'm going to do is just cover up the holes. Super easy. This part is no problem. And then I'm going to take the water it quick. Actually, I'm going to water it nice and slow, because our water is very precious right now, but this should offer some protection from them. I will go and plant out each one of these other drip lines, and then when I'm done, I'm going to take this nice little piece of row cover, put it over the top, and then help to keep the birds out. The birds love to be right in here in the beans. And that's all you have to do to plant beets in Sonoma County.